All right, personal break coming up here for Tom. Going to do 4 boxes. Super Bowl promos. Good luck, good luck. What's up, Junior? Stuff has been red hot. Let's keep it going. Man, I just straight up jinxed that. 17 of 25, Devontae Booker. Son of a gun. Well, that's the second Devontae of the day. That's a nice piece. Just hit the 101 of this. Number 5 of 5, Marcus Allen. Solid. Number 3. Hit the 101 of this yesterday, too. Private signings, 3 of 5, Joe Theismann. Nice. Hail. And last one. Nice color, looking 4-color patch autograph, 2 of 10, Melvin Gordon. 2 of 10, Melvin Gordon. All right, buddy, I appreciate it. Good luck in the group break. We'll get that going here momentarily. If you'd like anything else, let me know.